I keep this salad for up to 5 years. Start by taking 3 washed bell peppers in different colors. Clean out the seeds from the inside of the peppers. Cut the peppers into smaller pieces, then into strips, and transfer them to a large plastic bowl. Take 1 large cucumber, cut off the ends, slice it thinly, and add it to the bowl with the peppers. The next ingredient is onion. Take 2 onions, slice them, and add them to the bowl. You'll also need tomatoes for this salad. Take 4 tomatoes, cut them into fairly large pieces, and slice the garlic thinly. Finally, take a large amount of fresh parsley and chop it finely. Add everything to the bowl. Pour about 100 milliliters of oil into the bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and let them sit for 1 hour. Take 3 large jars. Spoon the salad into each jar, pressing down firmly with a spoon. Pour the leftover vegetable juice into each jar, then add 1 small spoon of sugar and 1 small spoon of vinegar to each. Seal the jars tightly. Before storing them in the cellar, they need a short pasteurization. Place a cotton cloth at the bottom of a wide pot. Place the jars side by side, ensuring they don't touch each other. Fill the pot with water up to just over halfway up the jars. Set the burner to medium heat and bring the water to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and pasteurize the jars for about 10 minutes. Store the jars in a cool, dark place. This method will give you a delicious salad all year round.